Here's a ruling that's bound to ignite heated debates about digital rights versus public safety. A circuit court judge in Pulaski County has just delivered a controversial decision that could reshape how we handle internet restrictions for convicted offenders. The case centers around a deeply sensitive issue: a person previously convicted of child molestation who has completed their prison sentence and is now on parole. But here's where it gets controversial. For those unfamiliar with parole systems, when someone is released from prison before completing their full sentence, they're typically subject to various restrictions and supervision requirements. These conditions are designed to protect the public while allowing the individual to reintegrate into society. Internet access restrictions have become increasingly common in cases involving certain types of crimes, particularly those with digital components or involving minors. But this is the part most people miss. The legal system must balance punishment and public safety with constitutional rights and the possibility of rehabilitation. The judge's decision suggests that completely severing someone's connection to the digital world, which has become essential for employment, communication, and basic daily functions, may constitute an excessive restriction. The ruling has prompted the relevant oversight board to announce their intention to challenge this decision through the appeals process, setting the stage for what could become a precedent-setting legal battle. This case was brought to light through the investigative work of seasoned court reporter John Lynch, whose expertise spans over 3 decades in journalism. Lynch brings substantial credibility to this coverage, having dedicated 2 decades specifically to monitoring criminal proceedings and civil disputes within the Pulaski County legal system. His extensive background includes editorial and reporting positions across multiple states, including previous work at publications in both Texas and South Carolina. Interestingly, when he's not tracking complex legal cases, Lynch pursues the decidedly lighter hobby of collecting baseball caps, a detail that humanizes someone who regularly covers some of society's most challenging stories. This decision raises uncomfortable but necessary questions about where society should draw the line between protecting potential victims and allowing convicted individuals to rebuild their lives. Should internet access be considered a fundamental right in today's digital age? Can we effectively monitor and restrict online activity without completely eliminating it? And perhaps most controversially, do the rights of someone convicted of crimes against children deserve the same protection as those of other citizens? What's your take on this judicial decision? Do you believe the judge struck the right balance between individual rights and public safety? Or do you think complete internet restrictions should be non-negotiable for certain types of offenders? The comment section is the perfect place to voice whether you stand with this ruling or believe it goes too far in the wrong direction.